Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This time I would like to share a tutorial on how to use live streaming feature on Hallo. So it's very easy. It's really easy. Just go open your application and early on you can see the impressions of the teacher and student sections, and also you can see the upcoming classes here to make sure that you know the schedule of the teachers. Alright, anyway, I am a student here, so if I go live, I will be in student section. Click go live. Okay, allow everything. And yes, here we go. To start a stream, you need to set whether you want to go for public or only the follower who can chat the live stream, and then just pick one. It's about the topic category you choose to help friends with the same interest to join, and you can choose whether you want to only speak with your audio or you want to show something with the video. Okay, don't forget to type the title of the live stream. Okay, right, so you just click the start stream and yes, ta-da, everything's here are crazy, guys. So you can see this is the looks of the audio live stream. You can pick the hot topic or a game like truth or dare, something like that, and also you can pin the your message or the comment here, right? You can copy that, and also for everyone that just say hi or give some comments, interesting one, you can pin that one too. And then you can set this one into a camera on, right? You can show something like it's beautiful, right? And also you can see the viewers, the number of the viewers, and if you want to end, just click the cross button there. Okay, so that's how you can go live stream. And if you are a premium user, you can see the the recording of your live stream. Actually, I'm not a premium now, so I try to have a free one, but I think I cannot. Okay, so you probably can use the premium for a week or a month. I don't know, like they give you first trial for you to experience premium thing here, especially for the live stream. You can have the recording on your account. I'll give you the I'll give you mine, so you can set whether you want to hide that or show it, whatever you want, right? So that's really interesting to have live stream, and you can talk to your friends here. Okay, I will set the follower chats, so there's only follower that can chat or give comments to my live stream. And I will go for the video one, so they can see me on the camera, and also this is for my YouTube video. Right, so let's see how it looks. So everybody here, if you want to give a comment, so they need to follow my account first. So it's a bit worth to have this one, because if you want to have a lot of followers, just make your live stream on a follower only chat. Yeah, that's one, you know what I mean, like. Okay, here you cannot hear my voice because of the recording section. Okay, so they are my friends, also one of my students. So I'll show you how to make them join your live stream. We call it hop on, right? The hop oners. Okay, Alright, so just click the name of the account and add. So here I'm inviting Savia, but she declined it. It's okay actually. And I add a friend to my live stream. Right, so here we go. It's a bit weird, right? And we can see the time duration there. Also, don't forget to greet your friends with a big smile. Alright, I am a bit shy here because no preparation as always. And also, if you see the red button there, I mean like the red signal, it means that one of the viewers wants to join your live stream. So HA here, he needs my approval, but I didn't approve that because I'm afraid that he don't want to be recorded on my live stream. But actually, yeah, so he's one of my friends. Okay, I just got his permissions to record this, so no worries. And that's all, guys. So you can actually set to mute your friends or something like that. Just click on the screen, right? I believe that you understand because this is really easy to use. Okay, so that's all for the tutorial. I hope that you get some insightful things here and enjoy the applications. Yeah, actually it will help you a lot to express your day, your feeling in English. See you guys, bye.